quitting at 8 and I've been skipping my time, so I apologize. My bad here. Have a good night, Bill. And I know Clark is still out there in Arizona, but Clark, if you're still out there, man, and there were times there, Bill, when you were not perfect playing all of it. You went down and really got one of those off the road for us. So it's definitely running around. Anyhow, see you later, Bill. And I would be calling him, actually. I hope he has not got hit. Right now, he's probably just soldering up through cables. And ankle brains are soldering scared and that's the
output, which would be a lot closer to what your output shows on your tuner itself.
So what you're saying is put it between the amplifier and the tuner.
Yes, yeah, so we have a ham friend that blew up his amplifier.
You can halt with the generator and inverter type, very quiet, and very efficient with the power. So that's just a problem. But we're back in there for too long. I'm hanging out see what happens. good stuff. Very old. I haven't been going this long like this, though. Local station. I've been so going on. Choose the signs on. Pass it off the board. Just do nothing else. That's all I see for gathering everybody all over the nation. Ivana. Wow. I mean, this is great. I've heard the great assistance in that else. Working, so it actually there's a couple things I want to do better. Pretty much
being on the tuner meter. That's right. If I put it before the tuner, correct?
Well, I don't know. I'm getting kind of humdrum now, and I'm getting confused on how I even think this is going to pan out. But now you've got to, because I've got to see. Take you 3 minutes to do it.
Now, okay. Well, then hang on a second, because I want to look at before I do anything. Hello. Okay, now that will just be 1,000 watts, and that's what everything is saying. So I'm going to swap this around. I'll be right back.
Gary, but whatever you do, turn your power down, because you could blow that thing up to sky high. So turn your power down, and then you'll see.
Okay, I'll fire it up in standby mode before I do anything.
Do it full power. I'm warning you.
Okay, all right.
Okay.
You guys, I don't think it's going to be any different at all, but let me go turn on the lights and see.
Well, something's going to be different, and I may be wrong about the power output, but your SWR certainly won't be wacko. And if your antenna falls on the ground, you'll know anyway, because your tuner SWR will reflect that. But anyway, be curious to see the difference or hear it.
This is going to be fun.
I love it. Should we tell him it won't make any difference?
Oh, it will make a difference. What he's got to do is he's got to make sure that he ignores that meter for the tuning and uses the one on the tuner.
Yeah. No, I know I'm just teasing. I know it's going to make a difference. But seems like I have seen in certain situations when you're turning the knob and making SWR go high, you'll see the power go high. It does something to the whole circuit of the tuner and how it reads. It seems like it was the MFJ that did that. I don't remember.
LMZ, how you doing, Damon?
I thought that was N7 something.
Could be right.
No, wasn't me. LSJ, come on in.
Hi, guys. I just got a MFJ IntelliTuner here. I heard you guys were talking about it.
Here in a second. He was the one wanting to know about it, so maybe you could chime in when he comes back in there, Roger.
Oh, yeah. Roger, I'll stand by until he comes around or whatever.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's strange. If you think there's a lot more underneath.
There's the